how to fix app not installed on your Android phone. So in this video I will tell you guys how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open your settings. After this, go to apps and right now on apps. If you have, for example, if you upload your application from Play Store, you have to search for Play Store, and then you have to go to storage, click on clear cache, also clear data. Then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next guys? You have to come to your files, then you will find here your storage. For example, if you have a full storage, so you have to delete something from your phone. So after that, you can upload and install new applications on your phone. If you still have, uh, space, so you have just now to restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.